it is Cleshawn. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 outfits I'm going to be rocking for spring. So I'm actually in my first outfit already. I am wearing a jumpsuit that I got from Forever 21 last year when I was in the States, and I was rocking it all of last summer, and I plan to continue to rock it this summer as well as spring. But since it is cold, I'm gonna pair this with my linen jacket. I got this secondhand. It was like one of the best buys ever. You know that I love me a good layering piece, so I was very happy to have found this. So it's nice to just throw it over your shoulders like this, or of course you just wear it normally, you know, and that's fine. And then I decided to pair it with my pink Nikes. I love these shoes. They're getting a little grungy, which I just prefer for my tennis shoes. But I also like that the pink tennis shoe just, I don't know, just adds a fun element to the outfit itself. So that's exactly why I chose these shoes. Of course, I could dress this outfit up with some heels or some boots or whatever. But honestly, I'm gonna wear this outfit as is with the pink tennis shoes. So this is my second outfit, just a classic white button down and blue vintage jeans. I believe I talked about this outfit in my basics video. Make sure to put a link up above there if you haven't seen it. Back to this outfit. It is one of my favorite combinations. It's just super classic. I can go to a business meeting like this. I can go to a lunch with my friends. I can go out with my kid. Though I probably would change my shoes, let's be honest. But I just love this outfit for its simplicity. So I paired this outfit with some new sandals. I find these to be a little trendy. They're very 90s, but funnily enough, they're back in style and I really like them. And these shoes in particular are very comfy, and they were about 40 euro from Zara, and they're really sturdy. So I'm very happy with the quality of these shoes. If I wanted to jazz this up, I would put on a black blazer, especially because it's cold, just this over my shoulders. Another way I would wear this, if you guys are following me on Instagram, you would have seen me in this look several times already. I take my handy dandy scarf. I picked this up also from Zara like last year, and I've been wearing it all throughout the winter instead of a beanie on my head. This is about 10 euro. And it is like acrylic, though I would prefer silk scarf. Anywho, I would put this on my head like this and kind of like squeeze it down, because now I have a bit of an afro, and tie it around my neck like this, and I just feel so chic. And like this is my outfit. Like, I don't need anything else. Don't tell me anything. I grabbed my sunnies, and I'm going out. I'm going to get me some rosé and a picnic blanket and go sit in the sun somewhere. So this is one of my favorite outfit combinations for when I want to look chic, and it is very Scandinavian. Basically, every outfit I'm showing you is a Scandinavian type outfit. My style has definitely been influenced since I've moved here. You're gonna see a difference in my style, just a little bit, with a little bit more color and a little bit more grunginess. So this is my third outfit, just a classic white t-shirt and a pair of khakis. These khakis you have seen before on one of my previous 10 by 10 lookbook videos. I'll make sure to link that right above here. You guys know me, I love a classic white t-shirt. The top and the bottom, I believe I also had in the basics video. I do believe that these are wardrobe staples, because you can dress them up, you can dress them down, you wear them to work, play, wherever. So I just love this combination. I just think it's kind of simple but cute. Anywho, I'm pairing this actually with my black cardigan. I love this cardigan. I got it from H&M. It's really soft and the fit is perfect. I am wearing this outfit with my black Vans. I think it's a very simple outfit. I would wear this if I was going to like a brewery, or if I was just going to go run errands, or even if I had a quick meeting, I would wear this outfit. So I really love it for simplicity, and I just feel like I look so cute in it. So this is my fourth outfit. This dress might look familiar to some of you, and if you watched my last video, you would know what I'm talking about. Hint, hint. I love this dress. Like I said, I just think the color is just so amazing and so vibrant, and I don't know, it just does something to my skin tone. What I love the most about this dress is its versatility. So I can dress this dress up or down. As you can see, I am rocking it with my pink Nikes because I wanted something casual. So like, I can wear this on date night with my boo, or I could wear this to a wedding. Basically, everything that I'm showing you, I want to be able to dress up and dress down, and that is the whole purpose of my wardrobe. This is how I'm trying to build my wardrobe, for ease, for comfort, and for versatility. This is probably one of my favorite outfits that I'm showing you. But keep watching, I have one more outfit to show you. So last but not least is this very simple outfit. I mean, I think it's the simplest outfit up here. I am literally wearing biker shorts, a crop top, and a linen top. I got this from the Goodwill, and this from Forever 21, and these biker shorts from H&M. And I've paired it with my new Zara sandals. I love this outfit, can I just tell you? And it's so like cheap and like simple, but it's so cute, especially when I put on my scarf. I mean, guys, I love this. I got these mirrored sunnies from Weekday. Like, this is me, this is chic clean. So I love this outfit just for simplicity and the fact that it was so cheap to put together. I like it, I think it's chic, and I think it's really funny that we can walk around in biker shorts and be cute. All right, guys, so that was it. I hope I have inspired you. I'm pretty sure you have pretty much all of these items already in your closet, something similar. Go out and buy you some biker shorts if you haven't already. They work for any size body, so go ahead and be free. Anywho, I am going to end this video here. Oh, actually, let me know if you want me to bring back the 10 by 10. I haven't really been doing that in my normal life lately, but I am like inspired to bring it back. I don't know, just let me know if you're interested in that. Maybe I can do spring, summer, or just summer 10 by 10. I was also thinking about doing a 9 to 5 version if you're interested in like how to mix and match work clothes. So just let me know if you're interested in that. I will see you guys in the comments below, and I'll see you with a new video next week. Bye.